Good morning, students. Welcome back to your maths class. We'll continue exercise 15.1 today. Question number 5 was left. Use the table below to draw linear graph. Now, graph questions we have to complete. For this, you need one graph sheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and scale. I'm doing this with a sketch pen, but you have to do it with pencil. Now, this is the first part of this question. The number of days a hillside city received snowfall in different years. Years are given to you and days are given to you. So, we'll be taking years on the x-axis and days on the y-axis. Now, just see. On x-axis, years are given, and on y-axis, we'll take number of days. For 1 year, I have taken 2 units. From origin to the first year, the gap is of 2 units. Then 3 to 4. Again, for 1 year, I have taken 2 units. For the next year also, 2 units, same way. And on y-axis, I have taken 1 unit is equals to 2 days. You can take single day also 1 2 3 4, and here you can take 1 unit. This is your choice. Now we'll do graph. Year 2003, number of days are 8. So in front of this point 2003, we'll go to the point 8. Earlier you were making bars, but now you have to put a dot. In front of 2003, we'll go to up to 8 and put one dot there. Now in 2004, 10 days. Then in front of 2000, we'll put dot in front of 10. Then in 2005, 5 days. So now 5 will lying between 4 and 6, this middle one. And in 2006, this is 12. So in front of 2006, we'll put the mark on 12. Now with the help of scale, we'll join this. So this is our first graph. Now second part of this question is population in thousand of men and women in a village in different years. Now here men and women means two values are given to you. Population of men and women. So it will be a double graph. As you have done the reading of this question, question number 4, there were 2 graphs in one. So the same way we have to draw this. Now what we'll do, on x-axis we'll take years and on y-axis population in thousands. So you can see here I have drawn here king, because when you will check the values, all the values are more than 11. So I have drawn king here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the population in 1000. On y-axis population I have taken, and on x-axis same way years. Here 1 unit is equals to 1000 on y-axis, and on x-axis 2 units is equals to 1 year I have taken. You can take single also. Now first of all we'll draw years and number of men. In 2003, 12,000. So in front of 2003, we'll go to the value where 12 is there. Then in 2004, 12.5. 12.5, that will lying between 12 and 13. And 2005, 13,000. 2006, this is 13.2. 13.1 and 13.2. Small boxes you have to count. 2007, 13.5. So this is 13.5. Now we have to draw this. You know that when two values we have, one will draw with the dotted line and second straight line. So we'll join this with the help of dotted line, and we'll indicate here that dotted line is number of men. Now the second value will take, in 2003 the population of women was 11.3. So in 2003, 11. Now 1, 2, 3 on the third point will indicate. Next, in 2004 it was 11.9. So this is 11.9 in front of 2000. Then 2005, 13,000. Same. Men in women, the population was same. 2006, 13.6. 13.6. This is 13.6. And in 2007, 12.8. This is 12.8. Now with the help of scale, we'll join this also. Now this is our graph of second part of question number 5. Now you have to complete this question number 5. Thank you and have a nice day.